I'm Sherwin, Director of Product Management at Garlock.
I'm Brennan, an engineer with compression packing at Garlock.
And we're here to talk about meeting emission standards for valves with compression packing. So Brennan, I'd love to hear, what are some of the typical questions you get regarding emission standards and valves?
So one question that we get asked are customers that have worn out valves that are currently unable to meet EPA emission standards. This could be due to pitted stems, excess clearance in the stuffing box, or just general wear and tear on the valve. And they want to know, are there any solutions that they can implement that can allow them to not take the valve offline to have to rework the whole thing?
And what solutions do we have that can help solve this problem?
So we have a packing set that's specifically designed to address this issue. It's known as the 9000 EVSP set. And what it is it's an engineered set that, due to the geometry and density of the center rings, it allows the compressive load to facilitate radial expansion to allow the packing set to flow into the nooks and crannies of the worn valve. This allows you to repack the valve without having to take the valve offline to rework the stem, while simultaneously achieving that EPA fugitive emissions level of seal.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing those insights.